Okay, we tessellate this CAD model to the mesh, convert the CAD to the mesh, and if you are satisfied with the number of your polygon, you can let go and export it to your. But if you want to work more on this, for example, in this ring, and reduce the number of the polygon, if you need, you can use optimize mesh to comment here. Decimate to quality, decimate to target. Decimate to quality is reduce the number of the polygon and it's try to maintain the mesh shape in the best way. It's nice. But decimate to the target, it's forcing your model to reduce a specific number of the polygon and maybe distort your model. So now we are decimating to the quality. Okay, so decimate to quality, we have surface tolerance, line or tolerance, and normal tolerance. Okay, they call it surface tolerance, linearic tolerance. I don't know why is this, but the line surface. Okay, for better understanding this, let's open this image. And for example, this software acts like this. For example, this is a polygon and it reduces the useless polygon, something like this. Okay, decimate to polygon. It's trying to maintain the shape of your polygon. So we have a line and a surface. For example, a surface is a distance between the surface of the main object and the surface of the convert object, the destination object. And if the lower number, it means they try to maintain the surface of the original object and the surface of the destination object. So it means it try to reduce the less polygon, maintain the shape of that. Okay, for line tolerance, it's trying to maintain the shape of the hard edges. So the line is for hard edges, and the normal is for visualization. It means it's trying to do not allow, for example, the normal of the polygon change, or if you want to change that, or also for texture UV. Let's see the preset. Love means less polygon reduction because we need to maintain most polygon. So look at the number, the lower number of the surface, the lower number of the edges, and the texture coordination is turned off. Ever when it's in this software see -1 means bypass that setting. And the normal tolerance is high quality, lower number. It means, for example, good quality, you can see 1 is best because 1 degree. It does not allow normals changing a lot. 1 degree from main object to the destination object. But if you make the, look at the numbers, if you make the polygon reduction to medium, so we have a higher number of the surface, it means the surface of the destination can move to 1 millimeter. So the software allow to move the surface better, but you can see the line tolerance is turned off. It tells you, okay, I don't want to maintain the edges. And the degree, it allows more changing in degree. Look at the strong. Wow, you can see the normal has a strong allow to change in the degree. Again, line tolerance is turned off, and we have higher number to surface, so we have very bad. So make it to the low is better. If the line tolerance is turned on, it's maintain the edges. Look at here, execute. Nice, you can see it does its jobs very well, and it's reduced polygon number. Look at this number and Ctrl Z. Wow, you can see we have a lot changing because we have 4-wheel. But because, for example, in this situation, in this angle of, for example, our game or rendering, but if you're rendering that very close, do not reduce your polygon. That's it. It's very simple mesh optimization. Next, let's say we're going to decimate to the target.